Today we're going over the banded pull apart. This is a great exercise to just activate the shoulders. We incorporate it as part of our shoulder warm up. It gets all the muscles of that upper back and shoulder engaged. So to perform, we just need a rubber band. We like these kind of mini pull-up bands. This is about a 35-pound resistance band here. We're gonna grab it, each side of the band, and then all we're gonna do is just pull straight across the chest like that, keeping the arms nice and straight, and release tension and come back. So the few things that we're looking for here is that when we do these pull aparts, I'm not releasing full tension. So I'm not releasing all the tension on the band and then coming back. We're just releasing a little bit of tension. So there's still tension on the band there, and come back. And so what it looks like is just like that. And then the other thing that we're watching for is, again, just watching that we're not kind of overextending at our back. So we're not doing this and really pulling like that. We're keeping the core nice and engaged and just using the arms to pull straight back. So all that engagement is felt in the shoulders. There you have it.